Alright, we're in Covington at number 8 Paylette Street. We jetted it out. And it looked like there was some kind of maybe feminine products or some kind of heavy products that were going through the line that stopped it up. Just want to make sure nothing's getting caught on any obstructions. This is going backwards towards the bathrooms of the house. On the right side of the house, going through the clean out backwards towards the house. Just want to make sure you flush toilet paper only, preferably Scott 1-ply. Right here, let's see. So make sure you're clear. Make sure there's no tree roots or obstructions going through the pipe. Okay, looks like we got the line cleared. Okay, this is the toilet areas. Another, looks like a clean out area. Alright, so the line's clear underneath the house. Looks like it may be holding water in some areas, like it's level, but not worth digging up at this point. Looks okay. Just flush toilet paper only. Bringing it back towards the clean out, and then we'll go out towards the septic tank. Just make sure there's no obstructions there, slowing the flow down. This is around where the clog was originally. You can see it's a little level here, but as long as you flush toilet paper only, you should be alright. Alright, now we're going to go towards the septic tank. Alright, there's the septic tank. I got all the clog into the septic tank, so it should be clear now.